Korea. I'm Junghee from Hello K cooking class. Today, I prepared a pork rib. With this one, we are cooking 돼지 Galbi-Jjim, which is braised pork rib with soy sauce and a lot of sugary things and super flavored things. Let's talk about our ingredients. Sesame oil, soy sauce, and rice syrup, and pepper. And this one is soju, which is Korean traditional really strong alcohol. Don't worry about it, even though we add this one, everyone can enjoy it. And a lot of garlic and a little bit of ginger and radish, onion, chili, red one, and carrot, super spicy chili thing. This one is optional. And spring onion and sugar. And I prepared the mushroom. You can use any different types of mushroom, like white mushroom, oyster mushroom, or anuki. Everything can be okay. And ta-da! Pork rib. I prepared the pork rib around 800 to 900 grams. To get rid of blood, I just put into the cold water around for 1 hour, throw it away, and then coming back. I'm back. I just pour enough water. I mean, just like more than the pork rib, because we will boiling everything and then we will get rid of all bad things. So let's turn it on. Yeah. Then a little bit of pepper and let's add half spoon of sugar. I'm just using brown sugar, but you know, it doesn't really matter. If you add sugar, the meat will be really soft. So, hey guys, until boiling, we need to prepare the veggie things. So, I love radish. Add to the Galbi-Jjim. So let's cut it. Let's make it half. And it doesn't need to be really small. Make it half. Then with this one, have you seen this? Or have you heard about this way? If you braise the pork, it takes long time, right? At least 40 to 1 hour. So if you add vegetable into the pork later, it has quite soft texture. It will be like messy. So to get a clear food, we need to get rid of the edge like this. Round, round, round. So water is boiling. And this one. Well, in your country, what is the best way of getting rid of the bad meat smell? In Korea, we add this strong alcohol. When it's boiling, you can add this one. If you don't have this one, you can add any alcohol things. Just let's leave it 30 seconds more. And bring it in. Let's add just like around this size. Already. So now, let's turn it off. I will throw this away with the bad water. And let's smooth in 30 seconds. So I'm back with clean pork rib. Pork rib, it has meat and bone all together, right? We have to put into the water to get rid of the blood. At least 30 minutes to 1 hour. And then we just add water and then boil it all together with pepper and just a little bit of the sugar and then just get rid of all the water. And then you can get really great, clean pork rib. Look at it. I don't have any water. To here, we need to add this water. Just 1 cup of water. Yeah. Just a little bit. And then we need to cut the rest of the vegetables. We've just cut the radish, right? With round shape and spring onion. And then we need to add carrot. I really love vegetable, but when I was little, I didn't really love. But when my mom put this carrot into the Galbi-Jjim, I really loved it. So if you have kids who don't really like carrot, you should try this one. And this one also, let's make it round shape. And onion, 1 bite size, like this. That's it. And chili for the color. Let's make it. Then spicy chili. Let's make a little pieces. So let's make sauce. So to the empty bowl, let's add 8 spoon of soy sauce. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's add 1, 2 spoon of sugar. And just a little bit of pepper. Big one dash. And let's add a lot of garlic. 1, 2, 3. I love garlic. And just a little bit of ginger. Like 1 teaspoon. Then mix all together. And let's add sesame oil. Just a little bit. Like 1 teaspoon. All mixed together. Oh, smells like galbi. And 2. So we just add 1 big cup of water, right? And then let's turn on to the water and to the rib. we need to add half spoon of sugar first. Please add sugar first. Then you can feel really great sweetness. So half spoon of sugar with water and pork rib. As a mom, when my baby eats real well, I'm super happy. My mom told me that whenever she just cooks this one, I eat a lot. So this one is one of my memorable favorite food. Of course, my mom's favorite dishes. And for the kids, so where is it boiling? So here, let's add olive. Everything. If we need more salty and sweetness, we can add later, right? Then let's add olive, radish, and carrot first because it is harder than any other veggie thing. And we need to leave around 30 minutes. So galbi is not like soupy thing, so all the like watery sauce will be absorbed into the rib and veggie. Look at it. The color is getting darker and darker, and the water quantity is, nearly half. So it's time to add another vegetable. Onion and spring onion and red pepper. I'm not a kid anymore, so I'm adding spicy chili a little bit. Too whole spicy. And you know what? This one is kind of a Korean party food. Sometimes cooked with pork rib, sometimes cooked with beef rib. And this way of cooking, galbi is Korean party food. So what is your country's party food? I add radish, right? You can add potato too. Yeah. And we have a beautiful mushroom, right? And let's add. Then let's cover the lid. And then we can just wait. I need to arrange this mashed place. So from the beginning until now, I'm just cooking this one with high max fire. But now let's turn the lid. And let's leave it. Let's check it out. Ooh, look at this beautiful dark color. Smells really good. Ooh. So let's check it out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Saltiness is perfect. Sweetness is amazing, and a little bit kick because I add the chili, right? Super great. And this is quite optional. Well, we add 2 big spoons of sugar, and before cooking this one, we add a little bit of more sugar, right? But it's already sweet perfectly, so I'm not gonna add this one. But if you need more sugary thing, any of this food, you can add rice syrup or honey to that glow. I think it's done. Look at it. Hey guys, thank you for watching my channel and see you next time. Ta-da! Ooh. You know how to Korean Galbi-Jjim? Of course, with rice and kimchi. So I prepared rice and 2 different types of kimchi. Let's try it. So I need 1 spoon of rice first. Where? Oh my god. Can I use my hand? Juicy. Can you see my pork rib lip gloss? I need to eat kimchi. You know what? A major part of kimchi is radish.